Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to about guys iqoo phone setting friends, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on do not disturb on iqoo phone. Friends, we want to on guys your iqoo phone do not disturb. So how to on and use do not disturb on iqoo phone. Today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to on do not disturb. So friends, we will on phone setting. After on phone setting, when scroll it, friends, click on guys your iqoo phone guys do not disturb. Friends, we will click on do not disturb. Oh, sorry friends, first click on guys your sound setting, and guys now you can find your do not disturb setting here. Friends, you can see do not disturb guys, we will tap here. Friends, you want to on, so friends you can on from here. Friends, you can see only get noticed by important people and app. So friends, you can select your people contacts and guys app. So guys only guys urgent and important notification guys you can get. Then you will, and your phone will silence and notification will silence. And once you can see do not disturb mode icon will show on your status bar after on do not disturb. And friends, you want to schedule your do not disturb settings, so friends you can schedule from here, and you can, so friends your automatic do not disturb will on and automatic will off on your iqoo phone. And as you can see do not disturb notification do not disturb will stay on until you turn it off. So friends your do not disturb will not off, you will not off, so your do not disturb will not off automatic. So like that we can on do not disturb and we can use it. Friends, you don't want to use, so friends click on your phone setting, search bar on, and guys search here the do not disturb setting. As you can see do not disturb, we will search here. As you can see do not disturb guys, we will tap here. Hence you don't want to use guys, click on turn off option, so hence your do not disturb will off, and you can use your phone calls and notification setting. So I hope friends you understood how to on and off do not disturb on iqoo phone. So bye bye guys.